If you also hate cutting fruits and vegetables because it takes way too long, you need to grab a veggie slicer. This one comes with so many different attachments. It is super easy to use. It comes with a hand guard, which is so nice. Also a cleaning tool, and you also get a peeler. I absolutely love this one. It is such a great size. You can use the draining function if you want. If you love to make salads, this would be perfect. You can literally cut up all of your produce into there and then put your top on, put it in the fridge, and eat it out of there. I'll leave the link to this one below so you can check it out.